What are the best free fitness apps for beginners?
Finding the right fitness app as a beginner can be overwhelming. Free apps make it easier to get started and stay motivated without a big investment. Popular options include MyFitnessPal, Nike Training Club, FitOn, and Adidas Training. Each app offers unique features for tracking progress, logging workouts, and providing beginner-friendly guidance. Let's explore these top choices and see what sets them apart.
How does MyFitnessPal help beginners?
MyFitnessPal is a user-friendly app focused on tracking nutrition and activity. It's ideal for beginners wanting to monitor calories, set weight goals, and understand eating habits. The app has a large food database and allows easy workout logging. While some features require payment, the free version is powerful for basic tracking. The main drawback is that workouts are less detailed compared to dedicated fitness apps.
Is Nike Training Club really free and beginner-friendly?
Nike Training Club offers a wide range of free guided workouts. Beginners benefit from routines designed for all fitness levels, including short, equipment-free classes. Clear video demonstrations make it easy to follow along. The app includes coaching and progress tracking. Some advanced plans are locked behind a paywall, but most essential workouts and guidance remain free and accessible for new users.
What makes FitOn stand out among free apps?
FitOn features hundreds of free video workouts taught by certified trainers. It covers everything from yoga to HIIT with routines tailored for beginners. The app allows users to customize programs, join group challenges, and track progress, without requiring a subscription for core features. Occasional ads and optional in-app purchases are the main trade-offs for FitOn's robust free content.
How does Adidas Training by Runtastic compare?
Adidas Training by Runtastic focuses on bodyweight workouts with customizable plans. Beginners can choose from guided plans or quick routines and log their progress. The app motivates users through challenges and community features. While some premium content exists, the free version provides a solid starting point. Its workout variety is slightly less broad than others, but it specializes in simple, effective exercises.
Which free fitness app is best for you?
The best free fitness app depends on your goals and preferences as a beginner. If you want to track nutrition and activity, MyFitnessPal is ideal. For guided workout routines, Nike Training Club and FitOn are excellent. Adidas Training suits those looking for structured, bodyweight exercises. All these apps are beginner-friendly and offer enough free features to get you started and keep you motivated.